Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to Pictures and Paintings. This painting of a blacksmith showing an ox was done based off a photograph by a stereo travel company taken in 1900s. It was a very old photograph, so a lot of details were very vague, as well as the color choices had to be made to colorize it. So it was both challenging and interesting at the same time. In this vlog, you are going to watch me do this from scratch. Happy watching. In this post painting analysis section, I'm going to quickly talk to you about what I like in this painting and what could have been better. To start with, the reference I used was a old black and white photograph. So there were a lot of details which were not very clear in it. So translating that into this image was itself a success. And then colorizing that was another great experience. But I consciously ensured I kept the ox white, and then everything else had a subtle color tone to it, bearing the turban, the cloth around the hip of this person who is helping the blacksmith. Everything had a tint, a little purple tone to this blacksmith, so that the attention stays around him. And also in terms of the subtle elements like the horns having a little green tint, because in India you have the practice of painting the horns of the cows and oxes. So I wanted to show a little bit of the tint going here, and the strong shadows. Normally most of my painting have very soft subtle shadows. So this one was a good opportunity to try out the strong shadows, and I'm pretty happy with how that has come. And the skin tone and the face, because normally I stay away from painting human beings. Most of my paintings have, so far, has been only animals and birds. So this was a big test for me, and I was pushing my limits slowly, and I'm pretty happy with the result I have got here. The specularity in the skin tones are reading well. The warm tones are coming out well, and the face, I'm pretty happy with the amount of detail which has gone in, and I'm happy with the overall image. And in terms of what could have been better, definitely for me, wrinkles is the wrinkles in the cloth. While it looks good in some places, I think there are too many, which is making it a little bit more complicated. Other than that, the color of the background. Initially, I started with warm tones, but then I did not want this to look like there is drought and dryness around this environment. So I introduced a little bit of green tone, and pretty much I'm okay. But at the same time, is it too many colors in the color palette? Was a question I was asking myself. But overall, I will take this painting any day. What do you think? As always, drop your thoughts in the comments column below. I'll be more than eager to read them. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.